All right, time to get back at the Oldsmobile. Cat escaping.
What's that?
Cat escaping.
Oh, cat's fine. What's going on?
I don't know, stuff's going on in here. Nice to see this guy back inside.
Yeah, I figured it was time. Oh, we got the master out.
Master time.
Because automatic cars.
Not much fun with no brakes.
No, but we're gonna give it, before we pull it apart, we're gonna clean it off real quick. Yeah, this is always the fun part.
80% of fixing cars is cleaning garbage off.
Nice, nice, nice. No, I think it still goes out the other end, doesn't it? No?
Nope,
it'll come out this end.
Just gotta give her a yank. It's just hard, it's just stuck.
No, here's some yellow crusty garbage off.
Just crust, and then it'll just pop out.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
There you go. Yep. Is it all packed at the bottom?
Yep.
Then you should be able to put a punch in or a screwdriver in the other end and push it all out.
Is it not moving at all?
It's hard, I don't know where it was. Oh yeah, isn't it?
Yeah,
No?
it's moving. Nah, not really.
There it goes. Hit me. Crusty.
Seen better days, hasn't it?
Yeah, it'll be fine. You just gotta push the rest of the junk out.
Oh, there's still another piece of the piston in there.
Yeah. And the spring and something else. There you go. That's all there is in there.
There.
Yeah, that's a valve. There, easy.
Ta-da! Thanks for coming over, dude.
No problem, man. Well, I was sure tired yesterday.
Oh, it's really cleaning up nice.
Yeah, good. It was pretty dried out, but it wasn't really rusty.
No. Wipe it out, start again.
Better?
Yeah, it's got one spot right there.
Yeah, you're gonna have to hit her pretty good.
Yeah.
But it'll be fine.
Yeah, that's okay.
Not much to report, really.
Master
Clean it up and replace all the pieces. Should be fine. And
just doing the last
one
little bit
step
of...
closer. Do you have wheel cylinder kits?
Yep.
Ooh.
I know.
I can't believe that you have all 4 of the original wheel covers for this thing. Oh, and you got the skirts on, buddy.
I had to throw it on just in case he came over.
God, I love this car. Oh, cool. Yeah, what a machine.
Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with this car. Okay, so I can just loosely sit back in. Okay, well let's toss this thing. There is another piece of cardboard laying right over there.
Well, it's not as bad as some cars.
No, this could be way worse.
Yeah. You gotta hook it into a pedal first or something?
No, I'm gonna just loosely mount this.
Yeah. Wow, look at that Hydromatic, eh?
Yeah,
That's a big old girl.
Yeah, it's a big transmission.
Yeah, that's cool. 4 speed, eh?
I heard that. Actually, I didn't know that.
Yeah, 4 speeds. They're very good, apparently. I think a lot of independents like Nash and Hudson used them.
Okay, that's just... That is not tight yet.
It'd be easier if I was inside pulling up on the pedal.
Nope.
Good.
Nope, because I can reach everything
Yeah.
right here.
Firewall mounted Masters were still many years in the future here.
I know. It just makes diesel swapping so much harder.
Look at these control arms, eh? Just huge.
I know everything.
Get a sense of the scale of these things. Look at that. The control arm is as long as my arm.
Okay. Pedal moves, so
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, so we need to clean up this bolt and just get a new cotter pin because I don't know how to do the old one. So.
Oh, so you got to get it clean through here.
Oh yeah, 'cause look at all the hot garbage in there.
Hot garbage.
Right. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, that was some dried up garbage.
Since we have to brake clean it anyways, I might as well make it clean as possible.
I wouldn't even put the banjo fitting on. Honestly, I'd thread that back in by hand and then blow all the lines out.
Okay. They're coming. I just rolled.
Yeah, good. Oh, look at, interesting. So flip it over. Oh, are they actually held there? Yeah, there's no tabs out here.
Cool. Look at the worst RCMP blue on those wheels ever, hey?
That looks
Like,
cool, yeah. So how did that pop up? What holds it on?
it goes around, right? See how it has a lip?
Oh, the lip is here.
Yeah.
That's, oh, and it pops in between there.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those must be always missing, so that's really cool. And it's also indexed. It's got a short one and two long ones.
Oh yeah, look at
It must be indexed, so you put the short one to the valve stem. Because there must be a hole for the valve stem.
that. Yeah.
Right on.
Cool.
Man, those are rare.
Look at these garbage tires, hey?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Bet you the shoes are still probably okay too.
Let's pre-soak all this because that's all gonna need. Is that a spring?
It is.
Cool.
What's its purpose though? Yeah, look at that. There's a little spring in there. How weird. Side. Oh, lefty on this side.
Those are really hard to find
Yeah, yeah.
wheel nuts that I went to go take all the ones off those Cadillacs at the auto wrecker.
Right.
I took every single one because I'm not a coward, that's why.
Well, you need all the weird stuff, right? Oh, it's round ball bearings. Yeah, it's alright. It's all got to be cleaned.
Okay, there's a...
Hey, they're not even seized or stuck or anything. This car is clean. Look at those shoes. They're fine. There's hardly any miles on those brakes, dude.
Why are
I
they
would-
green or yellow? I have not bought shoes yet.
Yeah, don't. Those are fine.
I wasn't going to.
Right on.
Because if I was...
Yeah, well, like, honestly, they're 89% there. Like,
yeah, they're fine.
that was the inside of the drum look. Plus, I bought a brake rotor machine or a brake lathe.
They could be...
Oh, they should be cleaned up.
Yeah.
Oh, but that stripe is in the shoe, so that's okay. Yeah, we'll clean them up on the lathe. The
First order of business is brake clean. And brake clean all that shit into a pan.
Here, you want to give it a bash?
No, it's out.
Oh, good. And there we go.
Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go.
Nice. All that stuff just came apart so beautifully.
Yeah, those need rebuild for sure.
Oh yeah, the old sludge swamp at the bottom there.
Yeah. Somebody put a bolt, if you look.
Is that what they've done? You think they broke the bleeder off and put a bolt on it?
Look at how asshole that is. There's no way. Maybe. But like, look at that.
Oh, no, you're right. Somebody's just jammed a screw into the end of it. I think. Because why would you have a freaking lock washer there?
Let's kind of tidy that up.
Everything else is good.
Yeah.
Even the shoes. Lots of life. Is that your log splitter carb in there?
Oh, what? Yeah. You know what? Of all dumb things, you know what it was?
You said it was a spark
It was a
plug?
spark plug. I put the spark plug into the old Slant 6 truck. That was the shortest spark plug that I had that would fit. And I was just like, oh, let's give it a test. And it ran for 8 hours straight.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
problems.
Yeah, no problems. Yeah.
I don't think you'll find much Amazon 53 old stuff.
No, probably not. Oh, you gotta get the stick-on vents though, right? That'll be
Oh,
Amazon,
yeah,
right?
those-
Like, yeah.
Triple porthole vents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Momo steering wheel cover and all that good jazz, right?
Okay, wheel cylinder number 1, check. And there we have it. Back in the car.
Oh, we need to do a little more cleanup work before we can just toss her in. I can't leave that. I decided.
What, you gotta paint it?
I'm just gonna throw some quick paint on it.
Just can't do it. Here we are.
Even though you won't see that portion of it, I'm just gonna clean all that out.
Trim black.
That's what we're using because you know what? That's all we have.
When in doubt, black it out. There, yeah, prep it. You want a tack rag?
Oh no!
Oh no. Plugged up, flat black. Oh yeah, you're golden. Salvaged.
Just something so. Okay. This is not the right way to do it, but you know what? Just something so when they do the inspection, it kind of looks like we half-ass went through it and tried.
And we did.
And we did.
And you're done. Oh, did you polish the paint?
Just the one spot I did. Yeah.
Oh my god, what a beautiful color.
Yeah. The original color was actually really nice. It almost looks like it's a
really-
metallic or
It
something.
is, for sure it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at the richness of that. What a great car. Okay, well that's one corner done. What, are you gonna do one corner every few days till we get through it
Every
here?
couple nights till we get through it, yeah.
Yeah, and then hoses and
yeah.
blow out the lines and then bleed it out. And then it's not just a goer, it's a stopper. And then I guess you were just saying it's going to be in here all winter, so we get to keep picking at it.
Yeah, I've decided this is what's going to sit in here all winter. There's lots of other cars I could have brought in, but I was
Yeah.
like, well, this is here.
Sure.
I like it.
Right on. Well, yeah, you're not going to have to convince me, man. This is just an absolutely stunning car. Well, let's get her stopping. I noticed Dan put the skirts on for us, eh?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Just have a little look. Okay.
I love it.
Falling off already.
There you go. Wow. Okay. Back soon with more Olds 98 rehab. Is a regular
Same old shit.